Hello everyone. We the Western Overseas family, we are at Bhatinda and we had our premium event today, the IELTS reality test. And we have some of our students out here coming after the test and we want them to share their experiences. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rajri Kaur.
Rajri. Where you're from?
I'm from Bathinda only.
Okay, have you given your IELTS test earlier?
No, it's my first time in your Western Overseas for the T test, and it's so nice for me, and it's a very well experience for me, and it guide me for my exam sooner.
Have you given your IELTS test earlier?
No, I haven't given any kind of test before, but it's my first time and that was very good experience like for students so that they can experience well because the stress level is always high when we give an exam and this is a very good for students so that they can manage the stress even though they can know how they can sit and each and every kind of facilities like they are providing each and every kind of things are same equal for that like the basic test like the students have to give. So I think it's a very good and very good platform for us.
So you loved being a part of this IELTS reality test?
Yes.
Have you given this IELTS test earlier or was this your first time?
Ma'am, my first time. It was my first time. Yes, ma'am.
And how was your experience being a part of this reality test?
Ma'am, my experience is really good and it also boosts my confidence and I thank Western Overseas for conducting this test.
क्या नाम है आपका?
My name is Akashdeep.
आकाशदीप. आपको कहाँ से पता चला ये वेस्टर्न ओवरसीज आइल्स रियलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में?
I came to know about this reality test from YouTube. I am following Pradeep Balan sir since last year. So I watched a program on Western Overseas YouTube channel. Then I came to know about reality test and I approached here, make my registration and successfully did my exam.
So how did you feel? How was the environment inside? How did you feel?
It was overall a good experience there. I have learnt many things there and the environment especially and now I have reduced my phobia about real exam.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Ayush Gupta.
Ayush, have you given your IELTS exam earlier?
No, this is my first time. I got very nice experience. The competition level of this is very high, and in my mock test, I didn't see this types of criteria, this type of questions. But in there, I found a truly realistic world and what is it and what is what. And now I will be increasing my more efforts in to having good marks in my exams.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मनप्रीत कौर.
मनप्रीत कौर. कहाँ से हो आप?
आई एम फ्रॉम मुक्तसर.
मुक्तसर. कैसे पता चला आपको आइल्स रियलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में?
एक्चुअली मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे पढ़ा था रियलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में, तो मैंने वहीं पे अप्लाई किया था. तो कॉल आ गई थी वेस्टर्न सीज से, तो उन्होंने बुकिंग के लिए बोला और मैंने पेटीएम के थ्रू बुकिंग करवा दी थी और आज मेरा टेस्ट था यहाँ पे और बहुत अच्छा लगा.
जैसा आज आपने एनवायरनमेंट देखा, आपको हमारा अगला रियलिटी टेस्ट जो है वो मोगा में होने वाला है, तो क्या आप अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने नोन, अपने रिलेटिव्स को रिकमेंड करेंगे?
डेफिनेटली आई विल रिकमेंड टू ऑल दी स्टूडेंट्स विच आर हैविंग आइल्स एंड मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि ये सच में वही एनवायरनमेंट होता है जो आइल्स टेस्ट में होता है. तो आप एक बार ज़रूर ये ज्वाइन कीजिए और एक बार टेस्ट ज़रूर दीजिए. सिर्फ ₹500 में ही है.
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Himanshika.
Himanshika. Okay, you came here for IELTS reality test. How did you come to know about this test?
Ma'am, actually, there was a session which was held in Sri Ganganagar in my hometown. So I went there for discussing about because I want to study in Canada. So I want to talk and gain knowledge about it. So in that conversation with sir, I got to know about the reality test, which is held today. So I got to know.
So you're coming all the way from Ganganagar?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's quite far away. Okay, so how was your experience?
Ma'am, it was good and it was the same way the test is held. So I just got to know about the procedure in the test. I've been preparing for it, but it's like a reality. So the name is also suggesting the reality test.
So I think you're going to definitely recommend to all your friends and relatives to come and be a part of other reality tests that we're going to come up with in different cities.
Yes, I would surely motivate them to be a part of it and to get knowledge about it, so as to they also got to know about the test before giving the main test.
क्या नाम है आपका?
अमित बादू।
लखवीर सिंह।
अवतार सिंह।
अच्छा, आप तीनों को आइल्स रियलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में कैसे पता चला?
मैंने ऐड देखी थी इंस्टाग्राम पर, वहाँ से पता चला मुझे।
I came to know by YouTube.
Actually, I'm following the page of this reality show on the YouTube. That's why I got information from that.
Wow, that's good. So how was your experience? कैसा रहा आपका पूरा experience?
My experience was very good and I was very comfortable in exam, and also provide real exam test.
It is a wonderful experience because it's my first time. So I did not know how to deal the test and how to deliver the test. So it by just paying approximately 500. So I have a wonderful experience. So in the next now able to get my desired band score.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा क्योंकि एक तो इतनी कम प्राइस में हमको वैसा माहौल मिल रहा है, एनवायरनमेंट मिल रहा है। तो हमें कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनको डर रहता है फाइनल एग्ज़ाम का, तो ये पहले से वैसा इन्वायरमेंट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी बच्चों का जो है डर निकल जाता है पहले।
I did it 2 times IELTS exam, but I was not able to get too much bands in scores. So that's why she told me that it's a very good opportunity for you, so that you can improve your mistakes also. So that's why I came here.
So you've given your IELTS exam earlier. Did you find the same environment inside? How was the experience when?
Even today I feel very comfortable at that place. Even like I know that 4 modules are comfortably I can do. So I'm very happy.
What about you?
I'm pursuing my IELTS. My sister recommended me to do the IELTS. I feel very comfortable here. All the facilities you are provided to us. I feel happy to come over here.
And where you're from?
I'm from Fazilka.
Fazilka. Okay. So you think such reality tests should be conducted on regular basis?
Yes, I think that it should be conducted on the regular basis because it helps me a lot and it also helps the other students also.
Okay. Have you given your IELTS earlier?
No, I didn't give it. It's my first time.
Okay. So how was the environment inside?
It was a great environment, always the silence, and it was amazing experience for me.
So you think you're a bit prepared for your IELTS exam now?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're going and you're going to definitely recommend our next Moga test to your friends and relatives?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, I will definitely just recommend to my friends also.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम कमलप्रीत कौर है।
आपका?
सुखदीप कौर।
अच्छा, और आप दोनों रिलेटेड हैं?
यस, ये मेरी भाभी हैं।
ओके, ननंद एंड भाभी, वाह, व्हाट अ टीम वी हैव, बहुत अच्छी टीम है। तो अब आप दोनों को बताना है कि सबसे पहले इस आइल्स रियलिटी टेस्ट के बारे में आपको कहाँ से पता चला? फेसबुक। अच्छा, इसने आपको बताया या आपने?
नहीं, मैंने इनको बताया।
तो ननंद भाभी का रिलेशनशिप बहुत स्ट्रांग है। इसका टेस्ट पहले दे रखा है आपने?
हाँ जी,
दे रखा है। तो यू हैव बीन थ्रू जो आइल्स का एग्जामिनेशन का जो एनवायरनमेंट होता है वो सब आपने देख रखा है। तो आज जो आपने आइल्स रियलिटी टेस्ट दिया है वेस्टर्न ओवरसीज़ का, तो क्या इसको आप मॉक टेस्ट से कंपेयर करोगे या फिर एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन के साथ?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਅਕੈਡਮਿਕ ਦਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਆ ਮੈਂ ਜੀਟੀਐਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਸ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆਗਾ, ਸੇਮ ਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ।